Namaste. I'm Dr. Akshita Pawar. I want to share today my home isolation recovery from COVID 19 infection. What is unusual about home isolation? 85% of the people are recovering from it because I fall in the high risk group. Why? Because I'm 22 weeks pregnant and I got COVID positive when I was pregnant. So it happened 2 weeks back when I was in 20th week of pregnancy, and I'm going to share you how to recover from it when you are pregnant and how not to panic about it, because 85% of women are going to come out of it in a very healthy state like I am today. So this is for you, all pregnant ladies, so that I can spread some positivity. You are supposed to know of the symptoms. So when it started, my symptoms started with a runny nose, and I had all this puffy nose and blocked one. I couldn't breathe because of those nasal secretions, and then my throat started to itch like on second day, and then fever started around 99-100 degree range of Fahrenheit, and then I lost the sense of taste or smell. Or when all these symptoms started, so I got tested for COVID on third day of my symptoms, and on third day I came to know that I was COVID positive. I was a perfect candidate for home isolation since I had mild symptoms, and I was having no comorbidities and had the availability of 24/7 caregiver. Immediately, I isolated myself in a well ventilated room which had an attached washroom and lot of sunlight. My caregiver was my mother, who was less than 55 years old. She had no comorbidities. Booked a teleconsultation with my physician, who advised the same set of medicines. Then I downloaded my Arogya Setu app. I took the general measures of wearing mask daily and changing it every 8 hourly. Hydration of at least 3 liters of fluids every day, that too warm fluids, daily bath, healthy 3 meals, and fresh fruits, and hand washing with soap if not there, using sterilium frequently. Which was this vitamin C twice daily 500 mg, then paracetamol every 6 hourly, and zinconia 50 mg twice daily. Levocetrazine was for my runny nose 10 mg twice daily, and using this syrup honey cool 10 ml thrice daily to soothe my throat. So I follow this routine to keep my lungs healthy. 10 minutes of steam inhalation followed by Jalniti, and then gargling with betadine, all twice in a day, followed by then 10-minute walk, in which after 6 minutes I used to check my pulse oximeter and my saturation with it, and twice in a day balloon inflation exercises also to keep my lungs elastic. To keep me in a positive frame of mind, I performed daily dancing, yoga, and I learned German language also on Webbel app. Then I did some doodling followed by some coloring in mandala art. Monitoring your health is very important at home, and how I used to do it was by using pulse oximeter to monitor my heart rate and saturation. Then saturation after 6 minutes of walking, temperature with thermometer, and how I was feeling clinically, whether I was feeling down, same, or I was feeling better, or I used to record my breathing also, whether it was better, same, or worse. So these all parameters are to be monitored every 4 hourly and to be recorded in a chart so that when healthcare calls you, you can tell them about your day. People should also be aware about when they should go to a hospital or when they should consult their healthcare person immediately. So these are the alarming signs. If your heart rate goes up by more than 110 per minute, if your saturation falls to less than 94% on room air, if your temperature is persistently more than 101 degree Fahrenheit for more than 3 days, or you are passing less urine, you feel chest tightness or you feel breathless at rest, or there is mental confusion, and there is finally the last step of the whole series is when to end home isolation. So 10 days are enough if you count it from the onset of your symptoms and you had no fever for the past 3 days. So this virus stays in your body for only 10 days. So if you have completed this period, then you are safe to come out of your home isolation, of your room. And there is no need of retesting whether you are negative for the virus or not. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel